what it does is when they pull off all your skin and show your belly.
What's your husband getting off work?
No, he's off today. They had just made it.
I can't.
Get in.
Yeah. Come on.
This is pretty cool.
Yeah, 30%.
Winnie, come get a band. Wait, Winnie needs a band. Love, get a band. Love, come get a band. You got a band.
Okay.
But if you have a bed, you can go. Yeah. Wait, we have to go with these.
Yes, go ahead.
Girl, don't touch the box.
Over here, this is our photo area. We've got one of our 2 to 3 year old alligators and one of our ball pythons. If you guys did want to try holding them, you can try it.
I'm not trying holding
it.
I'm not touching
that side
it.
in the middle, but there's other options too.
I would.
Yo, can they
No.
touch the gator?
No.
The baby
No.
one?
Soraya, you want to touch it?
No, I'm not dare touch it.
Girls, you want to touch it?
How many
Yes.
people want to try holding the gator? Raise your hand up real quick. All right.
They don't want to hold it. They just want to touch
Oh,
it.
you just want to pet him? Okay. I'll just bring him around here.
Wait, hold on, I'm right here.
Yo, this is dope.
I'm sorry, I need all these videos.
Yo, this is the best $40 I've ever spent. Yo, that's
Oh my
crazy.
See, you're not doing it, man. Oh, this is so cute.
Yo,
Yeah,
that's
really excited.
Hold on, because he's a little, yeah. Hold on, guys, you
Pet him anywhere
you
along
have
the
to
back
be
or
calm
the
so
tail,
he
just
can
not
be
the
calm.
face.
Back or the tail, just not his face. Back
Soraya,
or-
touch it. Girl, y'all
Back
touch it
or the
too.
tail, just not his face.
Back or the tail?
It's not going to bite you.
It's a
It's a
baby
baby gator.
alligator.
Take your time, girls. Don't get them
Cool.
excited.
Yes.
You
wanna touch him?
All right, girls. Let the other. Did you touch that? Go ahead.
Bye, alligator.
All right,
All right,
girls.
come on.
Do
You
it,
wanna
T.
touch him?
No.
My girls ain't going to do it. They got too much like their mama. So how you do it? Y'all know, you have to fight that.
That's crazy.
I'm not touching
Soraya.
Y'all want to hold the
Soraya, if I touch it, would you touch it?
No.
Jayla, if I touch it, would you touch it?
No.
Tiana, if I touch it, would you touch it?
That's crazy.
Oh, you want to touch it?
I would
Come on.
touch the gator.
Come on.
Touch it.
It's because she want to touch it. Yeah.
I don't know
I
the
would-
gator.
Oh, no.
I would
Yeah,
touch
yeah.
it.
Come
I
on,
would
T.
touch it.
My ears.
Tiana. Tiana.
My Bible said we don't like
Tiana. Come on.
I like it.
Come on, T. Tiana, don't waste this man's time. Come on, T.
It's really simple. Hold on, let him calm down.
Calm down.
And then you can just pet his back.
Go,
Look, watch me
TT.
do it. Watch me do
Yeah,
it. Look,
just right.
look. It's just his back. It's just scaly. Nothing's going on. You want to try it? You try it.
Do it, T.
You got
Yeah,
it. Okay,
Tiana.
All right.
Gentle.
Good
Make sure you're gentle.
job. Oh, now she back
All right.
again.
She did.
Look at you, Robin. Go ahead.
These two.
Good job, Tiana. Good
Touch the
job.
gator?
Good
What's
job.
that?
Good job, girl.
What's this?